Step 1. Fill in the information and hit continue. Step 2. Once you see settings found, hit continue. Step 3. After entering your credentials, click Allow. Step 4. Head back to your Mailbird desktop app. Step 5. Finalize setup and you're all set. Mailbird automatically detects your SMTP and IMAP settings for your email provider, and you can easily add your email account by following these simple steps. Step 1. Click on Menu and go to Settings. Step 2. Select Accounts on sidebar and hit Add. Step 3. Fill in the initial information and hit Continue. Usually, Mailbird will detect the settings automatically, but if you use an email provider that is not recognized upon setup, you can add the IMAP SMTP settings manually. You can find the IMAP SMTP settings for your email provider using our mail settings lookup at www.getmailbird.com/setup. Step 4. Enter credentials and IMAP SMTP settings. Step 5. Confirm that your account is visible, and that's it. Fast and simple. You can visit our Setup Pages section on our website to find more information on how to easily set up an email account in your Mailbird desktop app.